Finding the exact version number of your Google Chrome browser on a desktop computer takes only a few seconds, and knowing where to look helps ensure your system is fully secure and up to date. Start by opening Chrome on your screen. Move your mouse cursor all the way up to the upper right corner of the window. Up there, right next to your profile picture or extension icons, you will see three small vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open up the main browser control menu. Once that drop-down list appears, bring your mouse cursor down near the bottom of the list to where it says Help. Hovering over or clicking on Help will pop open a small side menu right beside it. In that secondary menu, you want to move your mouse straight across and click on About Google Chrome. Clicking that option instantly opens a brand new settings screen. If you glance at the menu column running down the left side of your display, you will notice you are on the very bottom tab labeled About Chrome. Now look directly in the center of your screen. Right there at the top of the main panel, you will see the full version number displayed in bold numbers. This panel also immediately triggers an automatic check to see if your software is running the absolute latest build available. Now, the important thing to keep in mind here is how updating actually works. Chrome normally downloads and installs updates automatically in the background while you browse the web, but those changes cannot fully complete until the application restarts. If an update is waiting for you, a button will appear right next to your version number asking you to relaunch. The trade-off to clicking that relaunch button right away is that it will temporarily close all of your active browser windows and tabs. While Chrome is usually great at restoring your open pages, any unsaved work, typed text in online forms, or active media streams in those tabs will be completely lost when it shuts down. If you are mid-task, it is always better to finish your work first before letting it restart. Otherwise, if you see a message saying Chrome is up to date, you are completely good to go.